Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you on this Friday morning? It is the 18th day of November. About 4 o'clock in the morning, we're in the upper 40s right now, and temperatures will make the low 80s today. But tomorrow, Saturday, will be about 20 degrees cooler than today. An important frontal system approaches and passes about this time tomorrow morning, in the wee hours of the morning. Will it have any rain with it? Well, the last 6 or 7 fronts, the rain has kind of disintegrated right before it got to us. We'll check on this one. Latest on the numbers for the weekend. I'll look at Thanksgiving week and a second front, which may bring some showers in on Wednesday night, Thanksgiving Eve. Plus the Iron Bowl forecast as well. Some important weather information starting this morning with the new drought monitor map, and that's not good.
Most of us are in an extreme drought. That's stage 4. That is the red color there. And notice the extreme drought has spread to southeast Alabama. Notice the darker red. That is the stage 5 exceptional drought. And that has doubled in size to about 33% of the state now. And so the drought continues to get worse. We showed you these numbers, the driest Novembers ever, 1924 and 1900ths of an inch. So far, we've not had a drop of rain. And over the next 9 days, 10 days, things are not looking good. So we're probably going to be on that list of driest Novembers, maybe the driest November ever. Very warm out ahead of that front in the Midwest, and very cold and snowy back behind it. There are winter storm warnings and blizzard warnings out there in the plain states, parts of Minnesota, parts of the North and South Dakota. You can see out ahead of it, it's very warm. Record highs expected again today, from the Great Lakes all the way down to the Gulf Coast, including, maybe Huntsville, Alabama, and Tupelo, Mississippi. Noon today, the front has made it into Arkansas with a line of showers and storms out ahead of it. Sunny and very warm here today. I think 81 easily. We had low 80s yesterday, low tonight down to about 50. Southeast winds at 4 to 8 miles per hour. Here's future radar at 3 o'clock on Saturday morning, showing just a little ribbon of showers. I've got the rain chances about 10% Saturday morning. Later on in the morning, the front has made it all the way down to the Gulf Coast, and the cooler, drier air begins to filter in. Sunday morning, that blue line you see down there in South Alabama, that is the 35-degree line, so much colder morning, and down to a freeze, probably the first official freeze here in Montgomery on Monday morning. So lower 80s today, and then a big change, 64 tomorrow. We got that 10% chance of rain in the wee hours of Saturday morning. Then Sunday's high around 60 will be down to 31 on Monday morning, and then into the low 70s on Tuesday. Then here's Wednesday night. This is Thanksgiving Eve. The Europeans showing a line of showers coming into northwest Alabama, but in the overnight hours, the line falls apart. I mean, it's a very familiar scenario. And then during the day on Thanksgiving, the front is gone. It becomes mostly sunny. I've got the high temperatures somewhere around 68 to 70. We'll refine that as we get closer. Here's the GFS expected rainfall out 9 days, showing scant rainfall totals into northern Autauga and Elmore counties. And the European agrees. But for most of us, the rainfall chances looking bleak. There's that blue bar on the bottom indicating the possibility of those scattered showers late Wednesday night into Thursday with that next front that moves through. And let's hope we get some rain out of that one because all these fronts are falling apart as they get closer to us. Here's the raw numbers on the temperatures showing the cool days Saturday and the coolest day Sunday for afternoon high temperatures. It's got 61 Sunday. Thanksgiving, it has 65 and 67 on Iron Bowl Saturday. Again, those are just raw numbers. Let's compare that to the U.S. model. It has 59 for a high on Saturday. The freeze on Monday morning. Thanksgiving, it has 67 for a high, 67 on Iron Bowl Saturday. Again, just raw numbers, but it gives you an idea of what to expect based on what the global models are seeing. Well, the weather should be great for the lighting of this Christmas tree tomorrow out here at ASF. Their annual lighting, it should be a fun event, and it will feel like the holidays. It's going to feel a little brisk out there, which is a good thing. No video tomorrow because it's Saturday. There'll be another video for you on Monday morning. My alarm goes off at 2, your video at 5. Over the weekend, you can get social media posts as needed on the weather right here on Facebook and also on Twitter. I'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on NewsTalk 93.1 and on BAMA Country. We have a lot of fun on the radio. You can get your forecast anytime you want, twice an hour on 8 radio stations across the dial. That's the Blue Water family of radio stations. And we'll see you again on Monday. I hope you have a great weekend, everybody. Take care.
Rich Thomas Weather.